7608 Cruz Bay. That's the end of the street down there. This is in a desirable area. Sellers are home. Repaint. So you have this gate that you walk through, which I know a lot of people are going to appreciate. Hi, puppy. And you have a little paved courtyard area here. Okay, so I'd say 100% repaint. And I'm going to try and keep track of the windows. Hi. So we have some really beautiful granite right at the front of the house, which is a nice upgraded touch. So standing here at the split level, we have tile, really nice tile, and laminate on the stairs and laminate on the lower level, which is great. So I'm not going to count the upper picture windows. I'll just start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows with an upgraded light fixture. Okay. And moving into the kitchen, we already have the 2.5-inch forward blinds, which is great. It looks like we have them on all of the windows. So one less thing we have to... Do you mind if I turn the light on?
Of course.
Okay, thanks. So we already have a space saver microwave and beautiful stone counters. We have brush nickel cabinet holes, the same flooring throughout this level. I'm not going to go in the back because there's a puppy, but we have concrete already in place and a pergola and mature landscaping, some river rocks on the left, a tiny bit of grass. You're the smallest dog I've ever seen. Okay. And we have a tile, that's stone tile around the fireplace. Okay, French doors to an office. So I'm going to count this window, which is 6 windows. Flooring looks good in here. And we have a smoke alarm and no ceiling fan, which Jenny would decide if we would need to put one in there. So the laundry room is attached to the garage. Okay, so we have access to the side yard in here. And the water heater, it looks like it has earthquake straps and a pan and this fridge. So Jenny would tell us if we keep it or if we junk it, if it stays. And again, the flooring looks good throughout. Okay. Hello? Okay, so this, this is the bathroom that is attached to the office. We have beautiful stone counters. The cabinets are pretty good. We always replace the light bulbs. We want them to match. Well, we replace light bulbs when necessary, and in this situation, it would be, which is very normal. So, again, this door leads to that office. And we have an upgraded light fixture here and there. And this storage closet. Okay. Okay, upgraded light fixture on the stairs. The flooring looks really nice. Okay, so starting upstairs, I'm going to count 3 windows. 4 windows. 4 windows. Vinyl. Recalc. 5 windows. Counters look really nice. Okay, so 5 windows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Cruz Bay. 6 windows upstairs. Flooring looks good. Repaint, comma, thermostat, comma, vinyl flooring. And wet areas. Six, 7, 8. So our 8 windows, we have what looks like closet guides on this door, and flooring looks good. Flooring looks good in here. This is a slightly larger room. And one more window.